Hi guys, good morning. I just thought to pop in and say hello. This is like 6 something a.m. I'm trying to go and make deliveries for my customer because she's traveling. So jama'a gani dai an angon da ban taɓa shiga ba tun da nake a rayuwa na a Zaria. My people, so na saba da delivery da ko some problem yanzu na manta ta ina na shiga cikin angon nan balle in fita bare in gaya muku, wallahi na manta. Akwai matsala, inna lillahi, gashi it's too early so ba mutane akan titi. Oh Lord have mercy. Okay, bari in ta tafiya kwalta da mutum ya ci gaba da tafiya straight ai dole yana haɗuwa da kwalta a Nigerian nan namu. So I'll just continue driving. I only hope I don't drive da yawa wannan shegen tsadan man da ake yi. Ya malikal mulki zul jalali wal ikram. Wallahi ban gane hanyar nan ba. Kai? Guys, sai anjima. I cannot take you along because I have to focus. Focus. If I don't focus, Sunana, sorry. So let me focus. I swear this is not the road I followed to come, but these people told me to follow this way and go. What I am going to hill. Ni da yara. Man, ina ganin pipe. To Allah ya sa gaskiyan su ne akwai hanya. You know some people they don't even know the way, but that's ce muku yana fita. Amma dai sun mun kama da masu hankali gaskiya. So let's go. Ya Allah gani gare ka. I swear guys, okay ga mota guda ɗaya yanzu ya wuce to amma dai ta nan motan ya faɗo ya wuce. I swear my excitement is gone, like gone. Shush, kapush, no more excitement. So jama'a, finally an zo inda na sani. So now I know the way, inshallah. My people, I'm back home. So I don't know. Let's see if this is going to be a vlog or not. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe if you are not. Thank you. Somebody's making omaki for us. Since I'm already up this early, I'll go and say hello to my dogs. So let's go together. And this boy that is up early is disturbing people's life. He is terrorizing everybody's life. Oh my God. You don't want to take your cornflakes? Are you sure? Yeah. Don't follow me, please. No, I want to see the dogs are not in their normal position. To open this door. No, put the coffin on Cosina there. That she will cancel. I think they are all in the same place. Oh. Look at this baby, as I've opened the door. She's the number one. Well, I'm going to open the door over there. They all want to come in. Look at their mommy. Her name is Roxy. Yes, you don't know. Open the door. Spiky and Luna, stop shouting. Look at where they are barking. I don't even know who they are barking at. Are you trying to bark at me? Just go to your mom. Just go to your mommy's place. Luna, are you trying to bark at me? Luna, you don't know I'm your grandparents. You're not supposed to bark at me. Guys, since you've seen my darling puppies, I think it's okay for the day. You guys did not see Ruby and who again? And Daisy and Rocky. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some other time. But they are trying to fight. They are trying to fight. I'm going to send them to their mommy's place now.
Look at eggs.
So I'll see you guys later, I think.
Look at the eggs.
Guys, this one is Ruby. She thinks I want to give her a treat, but I don't have anything to give her. And she looks so dirty. I'll have to ask them to bath her. What? You want me to say hello? Girl. Oh my baby. Oh my baby. Oh my baby. Oh, I'm going to play. Down. I didn't give her any treat. She thinks I want to give her any treat. I didn't say sit. Ruby, down. Ruby, down. Hi guys. So that was Ruby. So normally when I open this door, I usually give her a treat. So she thinks I'm going to give her a treat. But well, Allah had taban to say. So you guys are yet to see Rocky and Daisy. I'm going to show you guys Rocky and Daisy some other time because I even think I want to sleep now. Let me see if I can sleep small. Then I'll wake up and continue. I have some others that I'm supposed to pack, but my delivery guy is not going to come until 2 o'clock. So I'm going to see if I can sleep before packing the others. And I told Batul to get ready so that we just go and wash our hair before our before our make so so we are going to go and wash our hair, inshallah. I don't know if I have anything interesting. I'm going to show you guys. If I don't have anything interesting to show you guys, I think you guys are going to see a 5-minute video of a typical morning in my life. It's not even a typical morning because this is not typical. Not my typical. I go why some like why is it delivery doesn't start just a morning in my life, like a random morning in my life. Like that is just it, honestly. Guys, I have a lot of vlogs like Rabi that I started, I did not finish. I started, I did not finish. I started, I think it's not even good enough to go out, and I just couldn't post it. I don't know why. Well, I don't know why. I really want to ask you guys, do you like my perfume videos, my perfume unboxing and reviews videos? Do you like them? Should I continue doing them? Should I incorporate them into my vlogs? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused. Do you like them? If you like them, let me know, please. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and I'm going to see you guys later, inshallah. Guys, I did something really bad today. I want to share with you guys. So I just stole from my business. Oh Lord, I just stole from my business. I just stole money from my business to buy what? Who can guess what I bought from my business? From my business money. I stole and bought something. Who can guess in the comment section? Before I say it. Guys, I've been eyeing this perfume. I've been eyeing this camera. I've been eyeing it, but I just cannot afford it. Like, I have the money, but it's not for it. I cannot afford that perfume. I cannot afford it at the moment. I just can't afford it. And then this morning, Shaitan was busy running on my head and telling me things. And after getting very sick, I just felt I would die and leave all that money. Will they even like carry on with my business and everything? I just felt, what if I die? And then kudin magado zai shiga. Gwara kawai in kashe in ji kamshin hamra na in ji daɗi. I've never smelled this hamra, and I really want to know what this hamra looks like, and I don't have the money for it, so I just stole from my business. I was thinking maybe my manager will not see it. my manager will not see it fast, but they gani the riba. So I just stole the money from my business and ordered for Hamra. So as I'm just sitting, my manager just called me. He was like, hello? I know what I did already. Then I was like, hello? So he was not trying to start talking about the thing. He was like, wallahi na ga wani HGK wani embellished super wax make you. Kina so ne? Miki placing order. Like the sarcasm is killing me. He's like, Kira, sorry, Miki place your order. I don't know when I started saying, I'm very, very sorry. I started like explaining. Wallahi yanzu ya ce bashi ne. Wallahi sai na biya. Bashi ne kuma sai na biya. To ni yanzu ina son samu kuɗin nan. Ya Allah. Where will I get the money from? I don't have money. I swear I am broke. Let me show you guys my personal account. Go. Before I start showing my accounts online, wallahi my personal account, I think I have 2,000 naira only. I am so broke. But as I'm going to explain me how broke I am. Like 2,000 Jen, I say I'm Arif popcorn. Wallahi Jen, I say I'm Arif popcorn. I think I have like 1,000 now. Popcorn come on 1,015 naira. So I think I have 950 naira only in my personal account right now. Like I am so broke at the moment. I don't have any more. Please, guys, quick fara min taro biya kudin amura an ce bashi ne. Ku rufa mu asiri. You have money, send me money. Send me. Yes, I'm begging you for money. Send me money. Send me money. Please, let me pay for this. Ya Allah. Ya Allah, ya Allah, karbam da talauci. A'udhu billahi. I know I feel so bad for spending the money, but the way he's like so cool about it, he's like Yago super wax and all that, like all the sarcasm, is making me feel so bad. So yanzu da Allah ana bi na bashi da Allah send me money, tura mun kuɗi. I'm going to see you guys later. Guys, meat snow. Arif brought it musamman saboda in nuna muku. So gashi na nuna muku. I cannot eat danwake without lemon sami, guys. Who else can't eat danwake without lemon sami? Wallah, the lemon sami ya fi daɗi. I cannot use left hand for what I'm about to eat. Bye guys, I'll see you guys later. So I've added all the yaji of camera, guys. So this is what my danwake looks like after I've finished mixing it. Well, I wish I have a cabbage that's here, but I don't have it, so I'll just eat what I have. I don't have strength to be eating with tray, so I kept the tray. This is how I'm going to eat now. I'm waiting for my Rabina. Guys, I tried this Rabina for the first time yesterday. I share akwai daɗi. A yanzu an shiga uku a gidan nan da shan Rabina. So this is my breakfast for the day. Guys, it has arrived. It's time to go and pray. Let me pray first. Wayo Allah. Should we waste the perfume together? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, bye, okay? Wayo. Hey guys, how is everyone doing? I really want to go out. I should, but then again, I don't even want to go out. Like, I don't know, I just love sitting at home, guys. I hate going out at all, but like I'm supposed to go out and I don't want to go out at the same time, and I'm supposed to go for an opening, but I'm just going to send something to like show my support, and then that's it. I think I'm not going to go out. So this is my Hamra, my baby, my new baby. I'm so happy. I am so happy I got this Hamra. guys, even though I know I used what I'm not supposed to use to get this hammer, but I am so happy to get this hammer. Like, no, I'm satisfied with the money I spent. So this is what the perfume looks like when I opened the box. This box, this is what it looks like. Well, I'm not going to throw away this box, so this box is going to stay together with the perfume, because I cannot see myself throwing away this box. No, it's not going to happen. Look at the perfume, guys. Where you are, like, we got juice. Where you should I review the perfume? I don't even know if you guys love my perfume content or not. I don't know. I'm not encouraged, like, by encouragement, so that's why I don't do perfume content again. Even this hammer, it happened that I'm doing a day in my life and it came in today. If not, I wouldn't have showed you guys. And I'm so excited for this perfume, honestly. Well, I like Najd. It is one purchase of 2023 that I'm so happy with. Bari mu sake maidawa. Na gaya muku this hamura ba ni ban kama kaina na wurgar da kwalin ban da hankali ma kenan. Wallahi wannan kwalin ba inda zai je. Yana nan in ya je wani waje to tare da turaren suka je wani waje. Guys, I've already warned my sister. I told her that I will be traveling to Maiduguri soon, and if I see her hand on my hammer, I'm going to cut it. General warning. I'm so happy. I can see that you guys can see I am so happy with my purchase. So I don't think I have anything to do, but Batul made rice and stew for us. So I'm going to eat my rice and stew with my newfound love, Rabina, and then honestly, I don't know, guys. If I have something to show you guys are going to see me later. If I don't have anything to show you guys, this is the end of this vlog. The vlog is already long enough, so I should even end it. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And let me know, do you guys like my perfume content? Yes or no, or I should just be like sliding it into my vlogs? What do you think? Naga channel in Naoma is becoming a chaos. Like asali it is msu's vlogs, like it's supposed to be vlogs, like vlog, but it's, I think I lost focus and it's like chaos. I think I'm all over the place. So let me know what you guys think about it, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is my lunch, guys. This is my dinner.